So this is the pastry that I've cut. I'm just gonna make a small portion because I just wanna eat for myself only, and then I'm gonna make some little cuts like this. I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces, I think. And this is the biggest one. This is big, but no problem. I'm gonna cut it like this into small pieces. Don't mind the music, guys. I love house music. Saturday anyway. Aha. Yes. So sorry guys, I'm not a chef. I'm still learning. I'm a premature cookie. So the spray, I also use it to just make my pastry discover dry, and I'm also gonna use it for the baking tray. Just turn it. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. This is my first time doing this. I've just created this dish myself. Don't have a receipt for it, just something that I had in mind. So now I've just made some holes, at least or a bake. All right, now I'm putting my garlic. I love garlic. I love garlic. You need to handle your pastry well because it might break. Already I've opened my canned diced tomatoes, and then I put a little bit of ginger. It's dry, guys. It doesn't have water. I mean the ginger, I don't know why. I'm done with my... And then next thing, my barbecue sauce, guys. I bought it at Checkers. It is so nice. I love it. Sorry. Barbecue sauce. Alright, that looks yummy. Now I'm just gonna take some tomatoes, So guys, I've already grated my cheese. Now I'm just gonna take the pastry and put it on the baking tray. Guys, I don't have anyone to shoot me the video, so I am struggling to handle. Guys, there it is. Now I'm gonna bake it for 50 minutes, then we'll see the results later. Hi guys, so there it is. It's baked well, it's crispy. It looks yummy. So I love my barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna put a little on top. Okay, so there it is, guys. My crispy baked pastry with tomatoes and cheese. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.